Hello everybody. I really would like to share one message with you today. As you all know, due to COVID-19, we are all into a challenging position nowadays. The time is not normal as always. We are into a new era, learning to live in a new kind of environment. So at this very time, I really would like to share with you that there are many people, those who are giving their best. There are many people, those who are trying to bring out their best potential, but still on the other side of the table there is another team who is ready to poke the flaws of everybody on the round to on the things that they are coming up with. So I would like to say everybody that we are all unique. We should have compassion at this challenging time. We should adapt, we should adopt everybody with the flaws they have. I would like to share a story with you all. There was a young woman who worked for a merchant who lived on the top of a hill, and she had to walk down the hill every day to collect the water from a stream. She had two pots of water to carry water, which she used to hang upon a pole and carried out over her shoulders. One of the pots had a crack, but she still used it. The woman would fill them to brim and walk up the hill, but by the time she reached the house, the cracked pot would only be half full. Obvious. When the cracked pot saw the water filled to the top in the another pot, it began to feel desolate, which we do sometimes do. I feel many of the people, they feel that we are not able to give up the best, although they are trying to do their best, and we start feeling desolate. This message is really dedicated to my staff who I know are giving their best 24 into 7, rather their personal phone numbers have become public forum just to serve people for education. But I would also dedicate this message to all those people on duty, nurses, doctors, policemen, all those who are into this challenging time on their duty, giving their best for the people, but still we do have some team on the other side of the table, those who are ready to poke. So this is what happened with this pot, who started feeling desolate that it could not bring up water. After a few years, the cracked pot spoke to the lady, "I apologize for my flaws. I spill half of the water, I am of no good." The lady replied, "You don't worry. Do you know, I always knew that you had these cracks, but still you were a good importance to me. I want you to see the path that we traverse." The next time the pot carefully observed the path up the hill, and on this side of the trail, the pot noticed that beautiful flowers growing in abundance, while the other side it was dry. The lady said, "I had always known about your cracks, and I took advantage of it to water those beautiful flowers along the way. Without you being just the way you are, the path uphill would not have this beauty of flowers." So every one of us is same. We are unique. We have our own flaws. I agree. It is our little quirks and faults that make us and the world so interesting sometimes. And do remember, when we poke other people for their flaws, it is always this way. We are poking somewhere ourselves too. The perfect ones are always flawed even. But we should find beauty in the flaws. Let us find beauty in others' flaws. Let us adapt them that way. This is called compassion. Let us adapt our faults. If we will be agreeing to our faults, we will become confident to learn more, to explore life. And you owe it to yourself to love your flaws, to appreciate your flaws, to love others' flaws, being compassionate, to accept yourself being flawed, to learn more, to be confident, as well to accept others being flawed, being compassionate, to encourage them to do more what they are already trying to give their best. The world is not filled with perfection, it is filled with diversity. This is what I felt. Even my staff members sometimes coming with, "Ma'am, we are really sorry, we are not trying, we are trying to give our best, but still 100% output somewhere we feel can be given more, it's lagging." So I really say to them that all my team members, I love you as you are. I know you're working hard. I know you are trying to give your best to serve society with education. Embracing your flaws doesn't mean that you can't improve yourself. That means that we are confident to move further with perfection in the coming era. Recognizing these flaws gives us the opportunity to work on those imperfections, making us perfect somewhere. So, see your perceived flaws in a whole new light. Nothing is ever completely good or completely bad. When we give our 100%, we are happy over the honesty which we are giving ourselves. So, this is my message to all others too. When somebody is trying to give their 100%, rather than poking them at every point, we should try to encourage everybody in every field of the society during this challenging times to fight our own battles and win this time, and to come up with a peaceful world environment again.